What's going on? Welcome back to the Poyet channel. Today we're starting our first video of the Poyet weekend. Today's going to be a 1v1 boat build battle. Let's get straight to it.
Alright, so we just finished getting all of our stuff. This is our barriers. We cannot pass each other's sections. So this is all of our stuff. We're going to try to build our boats now and calm down who you think's going to win.
So before we started our project, you said you didn't have a basic concept. So have you figured out your concept yet?
Yeah, so I have this wood plank and under it you can see this thing wraps around it. And I have these pool noodles. So I'm gonna take this rope, this slack line. I've got these pool noodles I'm gonna attach to it, and it's gonna be cool. I'm thinking of a cool name for my boat too. And then of course I gotta support our country too.
All right, he has just completed taking all of the straps off, and he's taking the tarp off the trap. Thought you said you had this under control. There you go. All right, Ashton is testing a big piece in the pool to see how well it floats. That floats very well. So Ethan has added more to his project. He actually has a concept now. So how about you tell us about it?
So this is where I sit. This is where my precious butt will sit. And oh wow.
Wow, you just hit the boot.
And then the bottom so far, I still have a lot to do, but pretty cool. As you can see, Ashton's struggling, so
yeah.
You guys can change your comments if you voted for Ashton.
What is your plans to do from now on?
I'm actually just gonna get this on, and then we have these smaller noodles back there that I'm gonna put on the sides or maybe lower on the bottom.
It's gonna be an easy dub. It's not even a competition.
No chance.
Look at that thing. What is that?
No chance. No chance.
It looks like a rip-off McDonald's toy, extra large.
Okay, now I have an option.
It's even got the McDonald's colors. Alright, so first we're going to test out if the boats
Can float
in the water without us on the boats. Okay? And then we're going to see if we can be on the boats. And then we're going to do challenges. So, let's go.
Alright.
Alright, let's see if it floats.
Wow. Wow.
Pretty well.
It floats.
I would sit down before you put your feet on it. Hey!
The full noodle's coming off.
Oh my! Scoot more forward.
Here, Brayden, push him.
Take me off.
Dude, I don't know. I think it's like barely.
Yo, you should scoot a bit more forward. There's a lot more space.
Thing's
inside.
about to hit. Look at that. Oh, it's coming in. So here I go.
Yo, why did you jump for it? No, I can help you. Ethan, I could have helped you get on. Like,
Hey, it's still doing pretty good. Look at this.
Are we out here?
Brayden's our assistant.
you're letting a lot of water in. This boat.
Dude, Ashton, your boat is horrible.
Alright! Push me!
Gosh.
It's worse.
No, it does not!
Dude,
You're like stuck.
Alright, push me.
Push me,
It
I'm
works. Alright, so Ethan has flipped his boat and it is somewhat working.
This is actually.
We have a working boat.
Oh! We might have to do my boat upside down, but it works.
Alright guys, so today we are doing the first challenge of this boat thing. So far it hasn't been going well so far. Ashton's has sinked entirely every time. And Ethan's is flipped over at this point. But basically they're going to be trying to survive objects being thrown at them and a hose being sprayed at them, and the person to last longest inside the boat gets a point.
guys, my old boat was a little bit too overpowered, so I had to get a weaker one, you know.
Oof.
Ow, at the bow!
Oh, sorry. Forgot.
Dude, Brayden, that feels like hail!
That's the point. Miss.
Oh, ow!
Oh!
No! God!
Ethan, push the boat.
Stop!
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my!
No, you can't block them. You can't block them.
Yeah, you can.
You stink! You
You didn't hit me with that one either. What?
Okay, I'm done.
Hey, hope you guys enjoyed. See you tomorrow.